Step into Beijing's history with BusDa's Forbidden City Walk. Discover the essence of Beijing's rich heritage with BusDa's thoughtfully organized Forbidden City walking tour, designed to accommodate your schedule and maximize your experience. This 3.5-hour journey brings the Forbidden City's grandeur and history to life with expert guidance and seamless planning. BusDa takes care of the complex ticket reservations, sparing you from the hassle and ensuring a smooth entry. Our professional guides, well-versed in Chinese history and fluent in English, will lead you through the palace's iconic landmarks, weaving compelling narratives that make every corner of this UNESCO World Heritage Site resonate with meaning. Choose from 2 convenient departure times: 8:30 a.m. departure. Meet at Wumen Gate and begin your in-depth exploration. Traverse legendary halls like the Hall of Supreme Harmony and the Hall of Central Harmony. Stroll through the 6 Eastern Palaces, and conclude your tour at the tranquil Imperial Garden and Treasure Hall. 12:30 p.m. departure. Meet at Wumen Gate for an equally immersive experience. Follow the same fascinating route, with the tour concluding at Wumen Gate by 4 p.m. Whether you're captivated by Imperial architecture, history, or culture, BusDa's ensures a well-paced, now shopping, engaging tour that offers more than just sightseeing. It's a step into Beijing's timeless legacy.